Hi everyone, a quick tip here, trolley tip again. If you remember, I've done this before. I used a bit of plastic from like a washing machine pipe, but it broke, so I've replaced it. And I did mention about using a pole clamp, using the biggest one of your old pole, redundant clamp, cut it in half, and maybe cut it in half again this way, and then what you've got then is like a stand for your pole. I'll just get a pole. So that fits neatly there, so it doesn't slide off your trolley either side, which happens so often, but with this it doesn't. It's fantastic. It fits really good. If I can extend it a bit, oops, wrong one. You can see it's even better now. So there you go. That's a quick trolley tip for you, so it's a job done.